years, veteran actor Naseeruddin Shah has been part of worthy cinema and has bagged awards for many. But the actor feels that the mainstream films cannot bring out the issues in the way documentary films do.
I think that documentaries are very important because documentaries can present a picture of life as it is, without any dramatization, without any elaboration on it, right? They are the only form of cinema which can be truthful in their presentation. Pictures, films which tell stories always have a tendency to lapse into fantasy, which is why I believe that the form of the documentary is more significant in the long run than feature filmmaking.
Meanwhile, Naseer is upset that very few people are keen on making documentaries.
It's a pity that so few people are making documentaries on any subjects of importance. And that is why I admire Anand Patwardhan's work so much, that he makes films on issues which matter to him. अगर मुझे लगा कि उस सब्जेक्ट में मेरी ज़रूरत है और वो सब्जेक्ट ऐसा है जिससे मैं सहमत हूँ, तो ज़रूर मैंने किया भी है कई डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्मों में काम.
Naseeruddin Shah was last seen in Maximum and soon will be featured in movies like Dadman and Mastaan. Besides, he is also working in Ram Gopal Varma's Amma, which is in 3D and will be released in 4 languages.